Oh, wait a minute. You were talking about volumetric lighting.
Smoke.
I have
the smoker alarms. Here we go.
I have the smoke machine.
From the dead forward shot, it looks like you're really, really angry.
Hey, Ayana!
Previously on TWiT. MacBreak Weekly.
What about that thing Mark Zuckerberg said about the Meta Quest being the best VR helmet out there, period?
Trust me, he's really thrilled that Apple is in this market. It lets him sell people on the Quest 3 as a much more affordable alternative to the Vision Pro. It validates him in so many ways.
Coming up on Hands on Windows, we're going to take a look at AI PCs. These are brand new Windows computers that have an NPU built in and can hardware accelerate AI tasks.
Security Now.
This has got to be the most underreported event that I can remember. The whole internet was at risk for the last couple months.
What?
And a group of researchers silently fixed it.
What?
Windows Weekly.
OpenAI announced something called Sora. You see this
Holy
thing?
cow, yeah. And these are all
Mammoths.
from text prompts. That's what's amazing.
People say things and they sound like exaggerations, People will talk, this is as big as the internet. I think this is bigger
This one
than all
is.
of that
This
stuff.
one is. It's
crazy.
biggest.
This Week in Google.
Did you guys experience the ChatGPT hallucination
I
period
didn't. I mustn't
yesterday?
have used it last night at the right times. Here's a couple examples.
Of note, Kata type requires an bita lampara paja punto.
Let me encyclopedize me. See?
Smiley face emoji.
The thing is, to ChatGPT, this makes just as much sense
As anything else.
because
Yeah.
it knows no
That's true.
sense.
TWiT. Bring your brain. We'll do the rest.
Good Thorpe and Viaton.
Good Thorpe and Viaton
Good
to
Thorpe.
you too, Leo.
I want more sign-off specifically in that style.